In this video, we will talk about data, what is data and what are the types of data. Data is something which is meaningful to the computer. There are different types of data: undefined, null, number, string, object, and symbol are some of the type of data that we use in. So, undefined, when we do not initialize the variable and we do not declare and initialize the variable in JavaScript, it will be declared as undefined. Null means nothing. String data type, any sort of text collection of letters, characters which make any sentence or any variable name, is string data type. Number, which includes both decimal and non-decimal numbers. It is not just like in Python that there is a concept of integer and float, but in JavaScript there is no concept of integer and float. Object is a fundamental data structure that stores a collection of key value pairs. Objects are used to represent and organize data in a structured manner. Object is just like as we have, if you have experience with Python coding, in Python coding we deal with dictionaries, so the same concept is used as an object in JavaScript. So these are some of the data types as we have discussed earlier: PAR, A, B, null data type, number, string data type, Boolean is either true or false. Object is similar to the dictionary in Python, so here we declare an object, a person, then in which is followed by the curly brackets, his first name, last name, age, city. So all these things are the pair values which are written inside the object. We also call it the properties of the object. So we can display all these variables in console, and later we will check also the data type these variables have. Go to inspect, open console. So here we can see that it has displayed undefined, null, true, gems, true, and the object we have already declared and initialized with age, city, first name and last name. All these variables are displayed in this console. So we can also check the data type of these variable. So we will use type of, if I want to check the type of variable A, so as I have not declared and initialized this variable, so we have not assigned any value to this variable, so it will be declared as undefined. Type of A, so let's see, you can see that it has this variable has a data type of undefined. Again we can check the data type of B. B is shown as an object, it can be anything. Similarly the data type number, C, so it is a number data type. Similarly my name, it will be shown as a string, my name, string. Similarly type of D, it is Boolean. We can see over here that we have declared D as a constant which is true, so it is a Boolean data type. Similarly person is an object data type, so we can see that person is declared as an object data type. So these are some of the variable that can be declared with different data types, initialized with different data types. So that's all about this video. So thanks for watching.